In this video, I will show you a few different solutions how you can fix problems with a stuck camera on your iPhone 5s. So you can see here the camera is stuck. If I switch it to the front, it works fine, as you can see. Now if I switch it to the back, it kind of like stuck and doesn't work, so it's frozen. Okay, so the first thing you want to try, probably be the easiest one, is to have a tap on the back here. Sometimes the cables could go loose, and by giving it a tap, that might help fix the problems. So just give it a tap, don't do it so hard that you break the screen. So be careful, just give it a tap down here. And then hopefully turn it on, restart the phone and see if that works. If that doesn't work, you want to try something else. So go into settings and then tap on general, then tap on reset, and first try to reset all settings. So tap on reset all settings here and then tap on reset all settings, and the phone will go through the process of resetting the settings only on your phone. So it will not erase any content like pictures or contacts on your phone. It's basically reset settings such as password for your Wi-Fi and other things. So give that a try first. If that doesn't work, you may need to back up your phone and try to erase all content and settings. So remember, back up your phone to the computer using iTunes first, and then proceed to do a full reset by tapping on erase all content and settings. If that still doesn't work, you may need to do a restore or a full restore by connecting to iTunes and do a backup first. So make sure first you do a backup of your phone, then do a full restore on your phone. So do a recovery restore. So if you don't know how to do that, you can look up on the link below to how to do a recovery restore for your iPhone 5s. In the video descriptions, I will post it shortly. So give that a try. Another things you can try is to press on the power button and the home button. So hold onto both these buttons at the same time for 10 seconds. So press and hold on both buttons, and when you see the Apple logos appears, you can let go of the buttons. So this is a soft reset, so we can perform a soft reset to see if that fixes the problem. If it still doesn't fix the problems, then it could be a problem with the hardware itself that causing the problems. So this step may be a little bit tricky, but basically you need to replace the cameras. So this is the actual back cameras of the iPhone 5s. So this is the camera right there, so you may need to replace this. So hopefully this component is damaged, because if this component is damaged, it's quite cheap to repair. If it's damaged on the logic board itself, then it can be maybe it's even impermeable, so you can't repair it at all. So I have opened this one up already to make it easy to show it to you. I'm just going to remove the flex cables right here. There are 3 flex cables that we need to remove, and this is the camera modules. So I'm just going to take it out. Sometimes maybe just even taking it out, put it back in, see if that works. Sometimes it may work, sometimes it doesn't work. So what we do, I'm just going to put another module in. So this is a different camera modules. It's a different one than the old one that I have. So it might not work properly, or it might. So we'll have a look. So I'm just going to put it in, and then we put back the LCD screen. And then we'll take a look. Sometimes you may need to restart the phone for this to work. So I'll just turn on the camera. So that's the front. So it's still stuck. That's because when the phone start up, it's already stuck. So we need to restart it. So I'm just going to restart the phone. So this will take a few more seconds. Okay, so tap on the camera. So there it is. You can see it's an actual hardware problem. It's this component that is causing issues right there. So that's what's causing the camera not to work properly. So by simply replacing the camera, now you can see it looks good. So yeah, it works. So in this particular case, it could be the module or this one come loose on the connector. So sometimes pulling it out, push it back in can fix the problem. And that's it. That's all the few different things that you could try. Give it a tap. Try to reset it, and if it doesn't work, try to restore it through iTunes. So restore your phone with iTunes. You might want to do a full recovery restore. If it still doesn't work, you might need to replace this camera. In most of the case, replacing this camera module can fix the problems, unless your board is water damaged. Sometimes the damage is on the board itself. Then in that case, even if you replace the camera module, it will not fix the problem. And that's it. Hopefully one of the solutions here work for you. Hopefully by tapping on the phone itself, then your problem can be fixed. Then that will be the most easiest solutions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.